Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rename files on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the Files app on your Google Pixel. This is where all your documents, images, downloads, and other files are stored and organized. Once the app opens, you'll see all your folders and files displayed on the screen. Now browse through your folders and locate the file you want to rename. You can scroll through your recent files or navigate into specific folders like downloads, images, or documents to find what you're looking for. Take your time to find the exact file you need to rename. Once you've found the file, press and hold on it until it becomes highlighted. You'll notice the file changes color or shows a check mark, indicating that it's now selected. This action tells the system that you want to perform an operation on this specific file. After the file is highlighted, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and tap on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various file management options available to you. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on the option labeled Rename. This option allows you to change the current name of your selected file to something more meaningful or easier to find later. It's a simple but powerful feature for keeping your files organized. Now, a text field will appear showing the current name of your file. The existing name will likely be highlighted automatically, making it easy to replace. Simply type in your new name for the file. You can make it more descriptive, add dates, or use whatever naming convention works best for your organizational system. Once you've entered your new file name, tap the OK button to confirm the change. The system will immediately apply the new name to your file, and you'll see it updated in your file list. And that's it. Your file has been successfully renamed on your Google Pixel, making it easier to identify and locate in the future. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.